Alright, you guys, welcome back to Needy Homesteader channel and day 2 of trying to restart and use the live sourdough culture that we got. It's heirloom from 1916 from Fisherman's Warf in San Francisco. And I wrote down how we're going to feed it, but I'm also going to show you in the read along here. I'm going to read it so that you guys know exactly what to do when you get yours, but I want to show you. Do you want to see it? Danny, do you want to see it? Did you see it, Danny? Did I show you?
No.
Oh, yeah. You have to come see it.
Show me all about it.
Now, it did double. I did take off the crust because I made you guys like a little video on social media. But this is how high it went. So more than doubled. And it does say in the directions that you want it to double or triple before you do the second feeding. So ours tripled. It's beautiful. Come smell it, Danny. And let me see. I'm going to get to the second feeding right here. Okay. Once it has doubled or tripled in size. Okay. So I want you guys to see that. Let's see. Can you see all the happy bubbles and the elasticity in it? All right, Danny, come here and smell this. And look at this. Look at how good this looks. Look at it. You laughing at me, Danny, or are you laughing with me? Smells good, doesn't it? It's like strong, like a beer yeast, isn't it?
Yes.
Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. I really think you guys, for those of you who struggle making sourdough starter, I think this is going to work for you. I'm so excited. I really think this is going to work for you. Okay, so let's feed it again. Okay, so we're going to turn on our scale here. Okay, and we're going to tear this out to 0. Now it says here, once it has doubled or tripled in size, or a clear liquid starts to develop on the top, that is just a sign that your sourdough starter is really hungry. We are going to go ahead and discard all but 30 grams of starter. Okay, so I'm going to pour. Okay, I'm just going to aim you up for a minute. And we're going to pour, hopefully you can still see that, 30 grams of starter in here. Now, I'm going to try to get it as accurate just because we're doing this together. But when I do this privately, if it's a little over, I don't mind. Okay, I'm going to try to get it as accurate as I can for you guys. All right, we're 30. Perfect. Now, this will be discarded. Okay, I know it's sad. I put it down my sink because I have a septic field, and this is really good for my septic field. But this is our 30. This is our 30. Okay, so now we are going to add 80 grams of lukewarm water. Let me make sure. Ooh, that's reading 29, so I'm going to add just a smidgen. Just a smidgen. Oh, now it's 31. See, I just don't worry about that, okay? All right, now we're going to add 80 grams. So I'm going to tear that out again. We're doing 80 grams of water. Ooh, 80, 81. Okay, well, we're going to do 81 now for the flour too, because we're just going to keep on with that. Okay, now, what they want you to do is they want you to stir that into the water. Get that all nice and combined, just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and get out measuring spoon here. And we are going to go ahead, we're going to tear this out. And it's 80 grams. We are using unbleached organic all-purpose flour. I am using the King Arthur brand. That red one, didn't it? So we're going to do 82 then. Play along with my scale here. should have gotten a bigger measuring spoon. All right, we want 82. Oh, just a smidgen. There we go. All right. Oh, it's gonna bounce back and forth, back and forth. I'll just do a little extra. It won't even read. It'll stay at 82. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and shut that off. I'm gonna go ahead and let me grab my towel here because I kind of made a little bit of a mess on my. Now remember, you do not want to use anything metal, okay? Wood or like this is silicone. These silicones are wonderful. I will leave a link down below to everything that I'm using. And we want to make sure this is nice and stirred in. Now it says it should be the consistency of peanut butter. You want to make sure you get all those lumps out. You don't want any lumps of flour in here. Now, it does start telling you if it's a little too thick, go ahead and add a little extra water to it. This looks like peanut butter to me. Consistency is pretty beautiful. We're not going to use that discard yet until you can start cooking with your discard and using it in pancakes and things like that. Once you get it, you know, reestablished and refed, it's not going to take as long with the live culture as it would if you were doing it from scratch. Yeah, this is really beautiful. So this, let's get you in there, is the consistency. See how it's like thick like peanut butter? Or like a really nice, almost like cake batter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to wipe down the sides as much as I can. And then kind of flatten it out. And then we can put the sticker. Let's see if I can get this one off. Otherwise I'll have to grab another one. I mean, I had some stickers from church. Alright. Right in front of the label, so I know where to find it. And I'm going to put it right at that line there. Okay, and then the same thing, I'm just going to cover it. Now I'm putting mine, because my house is 65 degrees, so it's a little cold to wake this up. So I'm putting it in the oven with the light on. That keeps it from, you know, having any drafts. And the light provides enough heat, enough warmth in there to make it ideal to grow your sourdough. So I will post more updates. I'll post more pictures tonight or whenever I notice this time that it doubles in half. I know I posted a couple of pictures in a little video over on Instagram and on Facebook, just showing you guys the progress. I was super excited that this took, because, you know, at the end of the day, I really am just trying to find something for you guys that struggle. So I wanted something easy. I know several of you had mentioned, oh, you know, I know King Arthur sells a really good dehydrated. I did not want anything like that for you guys. I wanted, this is specifically for the people that struggle. So I wanted something super easy. A live culture that comes to your house that all you have to do is feed and it reacts. Now, this company guarantees their product. So if you struggle with it, if it does not rise, you can reach out to them. They can help you, and they will they do guarantee their product. They'll send you out another one if you struggle. So you can't lose for that. I don't think. So I am so excited. I hope this is, oh, I hope this is the winner to get you guys all baking the sourdough. So many of you have wanted to make sourdough, but you just struggled with the starter. And I'm really thinking that this is a great solution for us, you guys. So I will see you back here tomorrow. We'll feed it again together. We'll take a look at it. You guys can see what it looks like. I will leave a link to it down below if you want to go ahead and put your order for one. But I'm really excited for us. Okay, you guys, with that, I am going to go now. I've got a blood prevention 3-hour class webinar over at Refuge Medical. Super excited to learn, you know, how to stop bleeding in case of an emergency here at the house. It's just something that always lays heavy on my heart since our accident, and I really just want to be better prepared. Now that I have the kit, and by the way, Refuge Medical prays over each and every one of their kits before they mail them out. It's amazing. So I'm going to go take a class, a 3-hour class, and learn how to stop bleeding. And then I'm going to make my meal plan video. I got to do that this evening. So I love you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow for Meal Planning Monday and day 3 of feeding our heirloom sourdough starter. Okay, love you guys. God bless. See you soon.